Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to merge PDF files in Canva. Whether we are combining multiple documents into one or preparing files for editing, we will walk you through the simple steps to get it done. On the Canva dashboard, we have a blank PDF file open as our starting point. All we need to do is click on Uploads on the left side of the dashboard. From here, we will upload the PDFs we want to merge. For this example, we have 3 PDF files, page 1, page 2, and page 3. We will combine these 3 pages into one PDF. We simply highlight all 3 files and then click Open to upload them to Canva. If one of the files shows an error, just upload that page again. Once we have uploaded all 3 pages, we drag the first page into the Canva project. Then we will add a new page for the second PDF. We find the second page and drag it onto the blank page in the project. Next, we add one more page for the third PDF. As we can see, all 3 pages are now merged into a single file. And that is how we merge PDF files in Canva. It is a quick and easy way to organize and prepare documents for editing or sharing.